Rowing. It's not just a sport, it's a way of life. The rhythmic motion of pulling the oars through the water, the sound of the water splashing against the boat, the feeling of your muscles working in perfect harmony. Rowing is more than just a physical activity. It's a mental and emotional journey. When you're out on the water, nothing else matters. The stresses of everyday life fade away as you focus on the task at hand. Your mind clears. Your body moves with purpose. Each stroke is a symphony of strength and determination, pushing you further than you ever thought possible. And let's talk about the physical benefits of rowing. It's a full-body workout like no other. Your legs, your core, your arms, every muscle in your body is engaged as you power through the water. And the best part? You don't even realize how hard you're working, because the experience is so exhilarating. Rowing strengthens muscles you never even knew you had. Your back muscles become like steel cables, supporting you as you drive the boat forward. Your arms sculpt into powerful tools, pulling the oars with precision and grace. Your legs, oh, your legs, they become pillars of strength, driving you through the water with unwavering force. But it's not just about building muscle. Rowing is a fat-burning machine. The intense cardio workout torches calories like nothing else. You feel the burn in your lungs, in your legs, in your core. And you welcome it because you know that with each stroke, you're getting stronger, leaner, more powerful. And let's not forget the mental benefits of rowing. The discipline it takes to get out on the water every day, rain or shine. The focus it requires to push through the pain and keep going. The sense of accomplishment when you cross that finish line, knowing that you gave it your all. Rowing is a metaphor for life. It teaches you resilience, determination, and perseverance. It shows you that with hard work and dedication, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. It's not just about the physical transformation, it's about the mental and emotional growth that comes with it. So, next time you're looking for a workout that will challenge you in every way possible, consider rowing. It's not just about strengthening your muscles and burning fat. It's about discovering the strength and power that lies within you.